and we are surrounded in daffodil, bunches of daffodils. Thank you for everybody out there who's ordered some of these for Mother's Day, which is in a couple of weeks. We've got cut-off date, which is 25th of March for not gold. So if you want them just plain metal, 25th of March. But if you want them galvanising, send it to Gal so you can have them outside. 19th of March for the last one going to Gal, so you'll get them just in time for Mother's Day. So what we're doing is just putting finishing touches to some of these that have been ordered, that have been this week. And what we've got is some collar material that we make collars for. We're just about 800 long, and I've cut a V into both sides, loaded them onto a bit of this. And what I'm doing is wrapping around, you know, like a ribbon. So, we're warming that up, very nice and hot. Without melting it, you know, a bit of loose in that. Bit of loose. And I'm just going to push that back round. Just so it makes it look like a bit of a ribbon. Get that nice and hot there. Pull that up. Get it warm there. Get my tongue. Just going to set that back down. Do that again. And these bits here, I'll just bring that bit forward again. I'm just going to scroll them edges. And pull them out. Just to make it a little more decorative. Get rid of one. And put that back. Over there like that. Same with the other side. Nice and warm. So you see how much work's going into all these, right? So you're getting your money's worth with these. Absolute fantastic gift for Mother's Day. So I'm just going to wrap that around there. Do another loop around that. And you get just to this. And all we do is when we've done that, get a bit of a bevel edge brush on the grinder, and then when we've got these here and they've just been warmed up a bit, we'll just polish it up. Go. But as we said last week, we were going to give this one away, which was the first one I did. And everyone's ordered all these, and I don't know, we're that busy with them. We run out of daffodils, and what we've got now, if you look at these, we've got some lily leaf heads. And what we do with these is we just drill a bit of an hole in the back of these. Similar sort of thing, 10mm round bar. Stick that through there. When we can, if we can, that way around, get a bit of a welding, just tack that on there, get me new, brand new helmet, check this out, brand new helmet. fill the weld with that, and then pop that over. Weld them on. So them's your lily leaves. Well, lily plants, and what we've got just down here. We're on fire. we're on fire. So what we've got, apart from me doing a St Patrick's Day jig, you know, like giving it all that, we've got these. Check that out. So we've got bigger angle iron, and there's some lilies. So we're selling these off again for Mother's Day, and that's comparison against your lilies, your daffodils. So they're about 145 quid, just as they are, about 170 quid with galvanising, you know, get them to galv. Same thing with fancy ribbon, wrapping them round. And main thing is, this week, North Valley Forge big giveaway again for Mother's Day. This is the first one we made. That one. This is gonna go to some lucky mother out there. So a bit of a skibbly dib. We've got all these likes and shares that are in here. Thanks for that last week. So here we go. Go on, John. Dun, dun, drum roll, please. Here we go. And the winner is Samantha Berry. Samantha Berry, you're the lucky winner. Happy Mother's Day. So, thanks for everyone liking and sharing this page. You can get more ordered by 25th. We'll get them out to you for Mother's Day. But Samantha Berry, you're the winner. Well done, love. See you next week, Bob Swift.